So everybody's doing reverse sled pulls and probably sled pushes, but are you using the other planes and going sideways with your sled? Let's take a look at what a sideways sled pull looks like. So we're gonna go crossover step with the right. She's gonna push out, so a lot of abduction push moment with glute med, glute min, TFL, that kind of stuff. But watch what happens as she pushes there. Watch what happens here, how hard she has to work with adductors on the left to get across to her crossover. So fantastic exercise, keep on going, for both abduction and adduction, resistance with your plantar fascia patients, your ACL patients, your low back patients, your hip patients, your IT band patients. So remember, if you're only going forward and backward, you're staying in one plane, you're neglecting all of the rotational components that you could be getting when you add something like this.